2022 saw a lot of shareholder wealth destruction for Tesla. Is this the thing that we can expect in 2023, or can it find a bottom?
Well, it's hard to say if it could go any further down. I mean, it's been a horrible season for Tesla. But when you look ahead to the year in 2023, there are some positive signs. They got the Cybertruck coming out. There's market rumors of refreshes to the Model 3, the Model Y. That could excite buyers. But the real question will be, where are interest rates? Where's the economy in general? Are we in a recession? Where is the buyer's mindset? So those are the things I think investors are really wondering about Tesla going forward. Yes, Tesla, Twitter, Elon Musk, there's these distractions, but this is a growth stock story. And if the growth can continue, then people are going to be excited again.
You know, it's interesting here as we look at this, George, this idea that now Tesla is almost being talked about in multiple circles now as more of a traditional type car company, right? We're talking about the same kinds of secular issues, fundamentals that we would for, say, a Ford or GM. Is it fair to characterize Tesla as more of a mature auto company these days?
No, I mean, that's not the way we look at the company. We value it relative to traditional growth stocks. I mean, the large cap, whether it's Apple or Alphabet or Meta and Nvidia. And if you look to next year, even though there's a lot of uncertainty around the earnings there, or even out to 2025, Tesla is incredibly compelling on just a PE basis, in particular in the light of the growth that they have. We think next year, maybe a little bit slower, but after that, this is a 30 to 50% growth company for years to come. And it's very, very compelling on traditional metrics like PEs and growth. So we're very bullish on the long term. And look, the near term sounds bad. I mean, there's been multiple data points indicating that EV sales in the US are weak, in China are weak, in Europe are weak. They're weak everywhere. And we wrote a note last week about Elon Musk being on Twitter Spaces, basically saying the same thing. So it's not that much of a surprise the stock has been weak lately. Frankly, it's a surprise how weak it's been.
So, George, if I could just follow up on that. You speak of the valuation that it should have relative to the other growth parts of the market. You look at a stock, say, like Apple, mega cap technology, that trades at roughly 21, 22 times forward earnings right now. But then you also mentioned Meta Platforms, which trades at closer to 10 to 12 times forward earnings. These are growth. I mean, the whole growth sector has been upended because of rates. Why should Tesla be spared that? Could there be more downside if those rate concerns are still there?
Right. Well, it hasn't been spared that, right? It's gotten lumped into those stocks over the last month and the last quarter and the last year. But our point is that if you look at what the consensus, we don't cover those other growth stocks, but we look at the consensus estimates, and Tesla's growth dwarfs that group. And we lump in several, whether it's Meta, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia. Tesla's just far and away the fastest growth company in that group next year and for years to come. So that's where we get excited about the stock relative to those.
I mean, Tim, this is a compelling story. If you wanted a blue chip, if there was a blue chip in what you would characterize as a relatively emerging industry like electric vehicles, Tesla would have to be it. I mean, it has the first mover advantage. It's the biggest brand name there. What is to say that a 2/3 decline in market value isn't enough for them to have a positive story in 2023? And if so, the driving headlines will be what, Tiggins, in the news headlines?
Well, that's the gamble, right? And the headlines probably driving that will be the return to kind of massive sales growth. That's what investors have been excited about over the last few years. And the other thing we're kind of forgetting here is just the Elon Musk premium in the stock. If his attention turns back to the company, that will excite a certain segment of the market who are nervous that he is distracted over at Twitter and, are really kind of buying into the stock with that hope and excitement for the vision of the future of the car that he's been selling.
Okay. And George, I'll give the final word to you here. If you look at it, we know you have a buy rating on the stock. You're bullish on it. What could be the thing that puts a bear case scenario in place for you for Tesla in 2023?
There are a few. Tim alluded to a couple. It's the Cybertruck coming in the second half of the year. It's hopefully China rebounding and getting over its COVID issues, and the U.S. starting to get back on a strong footing based on Inflation Reduction Act incentives that we'll see starting to kick in in January. So I think it's those three things that really help sentiment in 2023.